Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove objects from photo on your XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the system gallery, and then we have to open the photo where we want to erase something or someone, and then tap the edit icon on the toolbar, go to create, and then select erase. And now we have 4 different options. So we can either remove objects, then we're gonna have to select an object by drawing a circle around it, just like this, and then start erasing it by tapping start. Or we can also remove people. To do that, we're gonna have to first wait until this object is erased, and as you can see, it was successfully done. So now if you select remove people, the AI will automatically detect all the people in this photo. So if you don't want to erase all the people, then unselect the people that you don't want to erase by tapping on them. Okay, maybe let's not erase these people in the middle, and let's only erase the ones on the sides. Just be careful when you're tapping. Okay, and now let's start erasing, and let's see what AI does here. And as you can see, it did pretty good. So we erased people from the sides, though there are some slightly visible artifacts. But generally speaking, it done pretty well. So now let's click OK, then save. And here we have the new edited photo. And here is the comparison. So it's the older version, and it's the newer one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.